Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on problem solving, find a pattern. Different patterns occur frequently in mathematics. Numbers such as the even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, etc. and the square numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, etc. have an obvious pattern which defines each of them. At times we can also find patterns associated with 2D shapes, 3D objects and colours. Look for these patterns to help you solve your problem. Example 1. Find the sum of the following set of numbers. 1, 2, 3, so 1 plus 2 plus 3, plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. The solution. If you look carefully, you will see an obvious pattern. The numbers 1, 2, 3 are repeated on 3 separate occasions. So, instead of adding the 9 digits together separately, we can do the following. Now, before we do the following, have a look at this. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3. So there's your pattern. So, the sum will be 3 times the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3, because there are 3 of them, which is 3 sixes, and that gives you 18. So that's the sum. What is the next number in this pattern? 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 and 21. This is a little bit tricky, and if you don't look carefully you mightn't see it for a little while. The solution. Each number is obtained by adding the previous 2 numbers together. The next number is. So, look at the 3. The way you get 3, 1 plus 2 gives you 3. The way you get 5, 2 plus 3 gives you 5. 3 plus 5 gives you 8. 8 plus 13 gives you 21. So 13 plus 21 gives you 34. So that's the next number. Example 3. What is the 10th term in this set of numbers? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Again, you have to look a little bit carefully to try and get this answer. Solution. We notice that the above string of numbers can be generated as follows. So the 1 is 1 squared. The 4 is 2 squared. The 9 is 3 squared. The 16 is 4 squared, and so on. In other words, the first term is 1 squared, the second term is 2 squared, the third term is 3 squared, and so on. So the 10th term must be 10 squared, and that gives you 100. Example 4. Consider the following pattern of shapes. What is the next shape? Look at it carefully. You've got a triangle, a square, and a pentagon. Now, can you see any obvious pattern there? Well, the first shape has 3 sides. That is, it is a 3-sided shape. The second shape is 4-sided. The third shape is 5-sided. So if we follow the pattern, the fourth shape is 6-sided, which is a hexagon. Okay, so that is a hexagon. Example 5. Look at the set of blocks below. Look at the number of blocks which make up each of the first 4 individual shapes. Can you see a pattern? How many blocks are needed to construct shapes 5, 6, and 7? Well, can you see shape number 1? How many blocks are there? 1. Shape number 2, count the blocks and you get 3. Shape number 3, 5 blocks. Shape number 4, 7 blocks. So look at this pattern, 1, 3, 5, 7. In other words, the odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, so obviously shape 5 will be 9, shape 6 will be 11 blocks, and shape 7 will be 13 blocks, because they're just the odd numbers. So there's some good examples to show you how you can solve problems by finding a pattern.